from the farm to your plate. The hidden magic behind celery leaves. What's the first thing that comes to mind when you see celery? A soup garnish? A side dish to complement meatballs? But let's take a closer look. Very close. The world hidden beneath this greenery is a natural masterpiece. It features a network of labyrinths, miniature chemical plants, and sophisticated security systems. Celery leaves are like muscular leaves that look like nerves, even though they are the nutrient-connecting tissue in the leaves. Celery leaves are very bright green and have many small pores or small pockets in them. And there's a main network where the branches are like the left and right connections in the celery leaves, all working together to create something we often take for granted. Today, we'll take a journey, starting with a simple observation under a microscope, to the secret of why this plant was called medicine by many ancient civilizations. What exactly are we eating when we chew a celery leaf? Let's dive in. Upon closer inspection, we see a large main network branching out like rivers and streams. This is the leaf's primary transport system, also known as the leaf veins. The large network is the highway, carrying water and minerals from the roots. Meanwhile, the smaller branches are collector roads, distributing these raw materials to every corner of the leaf, and vice versa, transporting the products of photosynthesis, sugar, throughout the plant. So, what are those tiny pores scattered throughout the plant? They're no ordinary sacs. These are the stomata, the leaf's breathing gateways. Through these tiny openings, the plant absorbs carbon dioxide to make its own food and releases the oxygen we breathe. They're intelligent gatekeepers, opening and closing to regulate air exchange and prevent water loss. But wait, there's more. Hidden beneath all this are essential oil glands. Essential oil glands are secret pockets that hold treasures. The distinctive, fresh, and slightly medicinal aroma we immediately recognize from celery originates here. These tiny sacs are filled with volatile organic chemical compounds. The main one is 3,N-methylphthalate, the hero that gives the scent its distinctive aroma and its miraculous ability to dilate blood vessels. Then there's apigenin, a powerful antioxidant that also serves as food for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. And don't forget limonene and various flavonoids. Their combination creates this natural fragrance. Interestingly, a small percentage of people have a gene that makes this scent smell like soap. So, if you don't like celery, it might be your genetic fault. So, what happens when we consume this mini chemical factory? Hundreds of compounds start working in our bodies. Let's break down its super benefits. First, it protects the heart and blood vessels. Phthalates act as natural vasodilators, helping to dilate blood vessels, thus lowering blood pressure. Its antioxidants also help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and prevent blockages in blood vessels. Second, it's a detoxification and digestive expert. Its very high water content, almost 95%, and natural diuretic properties help cleanse the kidneys and remove excess fluid. Its fiber and apigenin act as prebiotics, maintaining the balance of good bacteria in the gut and promoting digestion. Third, a high-level defense system. Vitamin C and antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids are fighting forces that boost the immune system, fight free radicals, and even potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Fourth, it's an ally for beauty and bones. Its vitamins A and C support skin regeneration and collagen production. Meanwhile, its high vitamin K content is crucial for bone formation and maintenance, helping prevent osteoporosis. But like all superheroes, celery also has a downside we need to be wary of. Excessive consumption, especially in the form of concentrated juice, can lead to problems. For example, for those with low blood pressure, hypotension, lowering blood pressure can worsen the condition. For those with kidney disorders or kidney stones, the oxalate content can trigger the formation of certain types of kidney stones. And people taking certain medications, celery, may interact with blood thinners, such as warfarin, aspirin, blood pressure medications, diuretics, such as furosemide, and lithium. Always consult a doctor. Pregnant women and people with allergies says normal consumption is safe, but avoid high doses. Celery allergies are also quite common. Finally, there are other side effects, such as psoralen content, which can make the skin more sensitive to sunlight, photosensitization. So, the celery leaves that we usually see are not just decoration. It is a living mini ecosystem, a complex natural pharmacy, and a perfect example of how nature designs things with extraordinary functions. From stomata that breathe, tissues that flow life, to compounds that heal, it's all there. The next time you see or taste celery, remember our journey today. You're not just eating a vegetable, but enjoying the work of nature's masterpiece. Take a closer look. Perhaps you'll discover your own wonder. Do you have a favorite celery story or recipe? Share it in the comments. And if you're impressed by this hidden world, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for our next daily science adventure. See you in the next video, which will be even more exciting and incredibly challenging.